Hi guys, and hi to the people who have gotten to this video from my 91 mile an hour, 150 kilometer an hour failure that I had with my battery video. I'm going to put a link in that in the description if you want to see that video. Not much to say about this one. Same day, I flew both drones. I'm just going to let the music speak for itself and have fun with this one. It was a really fun flight. This is a 3.5-inch drone. Have fun, guys.